is the Belgravia dress. Honestly, this is my favorite of the new spring patterns. I'm really excited about this one. It's designed for knit fabrics, but it's also designed specifically for those of you who are a little bit afraid of sewing with knit fabrics. It really should be sewn with a sewing machine instead of a serger. There are parts of it that you can do with a serger, but it's better to do it with a sewing machine, and we talk you through it entirely. So this is a relatively fitted dress. Again, it's a knit. This was not made for me, so it's a little short for me. You'll have to forgive me. The tie effect is what I really like about it, is that you don't have to do a full bust adjustment for this. There is enough fabric in the pleat for the tie that it's fairly accommodating for a variety of bust sizes. And you can see that these funny little ties, when I cinch them up, they make this nice pleated effect, and they give you a nice waistline. So it's a fun little detail. The waist seaming, I think, is quite pretty. Actually, it sort of goes up here and then it's down further in the back. You can see that there's a little slit in the front. You don't have to include the slit if you don't want to, but I think it's a nice little detail. And of course, we've got the short sleeve here. I'll also show you another version that has the long sleeve and it has a tie that goes all the way around the body rather than just tying in the front like this. Here again is the Belgravia dress. This is view B. So we have long sleeves and we have these longer ties, which I want to show you. They wrap all the way around the body. So when you untie it, it has this alien-looking ties that cross over, wrap all the way around, and then knot them. So I think it's just a really nice, flattering fit. This again is a little bit short for me. There is a lengthen and shorten line on the bodice pieces to help you. For me, I always need to add a little length. This is a bit short for me, but you get the general idea. I will show you one more dress that I made for myself where I added the length, so you get a better sense for how it should fit. And I also neglected to mention that this pattern is available in our expanded size range also, so it's all the way up to size 30. Here's one more version of the dress. This one I made for myself, so I added a little bit of length through the bodice using the lengthen and shorten line that's on the pattern, so it's really easy. But this will give you a better sense for how it should fit with the waist tie at the waist and of course the long sleeve. And you know that with the two views, with the short sleeve and the long sleeve, the short tie and the long tie, they're totally interchangeable. So you can make many different dresses out of the same pattern. I hope you'll have fun with this one.